Okay, so in this video I just want to show you how to print emojis. Again, just to try to make it a little more fun for you and make your output a little bit more exciting, a little bit cuter. So again, and this is totally optional. If you're not interested, that's okay. I'm never going to require this from you. So basically, I just have a basic application here and I have some output, smile. It would be nice to add a smiley face emoji to this, and we can do that fairly easily. So there's a list, I'm sure there are plenty of pages like this online where you have all these emojis, like so many emojis, pretty much anything you could possibly imagine, there's an emoji for it. And each of these emojis has what is called a Unicode, and that's like a numeric or alphanumeric representation of that emoji or of that character. And so we can exploit this to print those emojis at the console in Online GDB. So let's say I just want this standard smiley face here. What I'll do is I'm going to copy that Unicode. I'm going to paste it into my Online GDB. Now, this alone is not going to work. We have to doctor it up a little bit. And here's what you're going to do. First things first, you're going to wrap that in quotes. Okay, and then you're going to put a backslash in front of the capital U. And then, thirdly, you're going to replace this plus sign here with 3 zeros. That's it. Go ahead and run that. And there's our smiley face. Actually, the result is pretty good in Online GDB. One thing I will say, and this is just based on my experience with other languages in Online GDB, sometimes like there's a little glitch. Like this is an online compiler, so your data is going over the internet. And sometimes when you have a lot of emojis or a lot of output, there might be a glitch, a noticeable glitch in your output. And that's really not you. It's probably something was lost in the transmission. So typically if you just run it again, you should get your output that you're expecting. And again, this is not important. So, don't get hung up on, oh my God, my smiley face won't print. It never really truly matters in this class. So let's just do one more. So one thing I wanted to show you, this page is huge. There are so many emojis, like really cute ones. You can really get lost in here, like the foods and so many things. And one thing you can do is do a search. Like I'm in Chrome here, and you could probably search the page. So I'm going to go to this find option. And I was already looking for the brain emoji, which is kind of pertinent to this class. So there's the brain emoji. And yeah, let's use that. There's the brain emoji and the muscle emoji. I think I'll use those together. So here's what we'll do. I'm going to copy that one, the brain. Okay, let's do a new line of output here. I'll just do a couple of new lines here to push the output down. A new line escape sequence. So we'll say, let's give our brains a workout, which is exactly what we're doing in this class. Okay, so again, you know what to do. First, wrap that Unicode in quotes, and I'm getting ahead of myself. Put a backslash in front of the capital U, and then the plus sign is replaced with 3 zeros. So that's the brain. And I think I'd like to also add, and I'll show you, you don't have to print just one at a time. If I want to use the same quotes for the muscle, I can do the same thing here. Okay, just kind of use them both together. We'll see how that looks. Okay, they're a little squished. I think I would just throw a space in there just to make it look a little nicer, but it's working. You see the emojis. Another thing you can do is the emoji can share with the string. Like here I have smile. We can just throw it all together in one string of quotes if you need to. So, or if you want to make your code a little bit more concise. That works all the same. So yeah, hopefully you can have some fun with that.